I bought an 80-year-old lady's lifetime collection of craft supplies, and we're checking out bin number 58. All right, I'm excited. Looks like we have some fun stuff here. This one is labeled birds, butterflies, and bugs. Don't know about the bugs, but definitely want to see these birds and butterflies. I don't know why I always struggle opening these. Oh, look at the little chickies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so fuzzy. I bet she was using these for wreath making or floral arrangements. There's some pretty doves because in the past couple bins, the last couple bins, we found a bunch of florals and natural elements and baskets and wreaths. And now it looks like we have all the little elements she was using to decorate them. Oh my gosh, look at your cute little baby. These are really fun. Which, by the way, if you're new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. And like I said, we recently purchased an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. But other than that, you know, you could trade in your leftover supplies for store credit. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and we do have an eBay shop, which you can find at our website, bottomofthebin.com, if you're looking to shop with us and you're not local. Oh, look at that little pink birdie. He's really cute. You know, I don't really know what I would personally use any of these for, so I don't think I'll hang on to any, although they are adorable. I could see them maybe being used on some, I don't know, even like some really whimsical, crazy crowns or hats or something. Like, look at him. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you can't tell from my shirt, I love pastel colors, and he is just so soft and pretty. Aw, there's a blue jay as well. One thing I would actually like more is paper elements for butterflies and birds. Well, definitely birds. Oh my gosh, look at the flamingo. Wow. He's a little damaged, but he's really cute. Yeah, I have a lot of butterfly paper elements when it comes to my crafting and card making, but not a whole lot of birdies. So I would love to see that maybe in a bin, or if it just comes through the shop. But yeah, this is a really cute one. Oh my gosh, there's little babies too. Little tiny guys there. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, wait, dragonfly. Oh, the dragonfly, so sparkly. There's a closer look for you all. All right, this one also says bird, so let's take a look in here. Oh, lots more beautiful butterflies. I love that golden yellow. There's a ton of feathers in here as well. And another flamingo. I don't know. He looks like he's a little bent out of shape, but hopefully still usable. Oh my gosh, look at these little shiny glittery ones. I love those. Whoa, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. From far away, that could almost look real, right? I don't know. Wow, and the red one. These are really nice. They were $3 originally. Not too bad. Oh my gosh. Look at the little rainbow parrot. Okay, love, love, love that one. And we have an imposter. Bob, what are you doing in here? Are you trying to fly away? Do I have to put you in a cage? A bird cage, of course, with his new friends, right? Yeah, I would never, ever be mean to Bob. I've got a whole boa thing going on over here. Ooh, I don't know what type of bird that is, but he's got some little curly hair going on. More feathers here. We actually get a decent amount of feathers in our shop. Wow, that is like almost a perfect match for my shirt. Pretty cool. And some more birdies in here. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Beautiful color. Oh my gosh, look at that one. He's got blue and pink on his back. More little glittery babies and another cardinal. Is this a cardinal? I don't know. Okay, this one is feathers. White feathers, pink feathers, black feathers, fancy feathers. Wow, there is a ton in here. Oh my gosh. I really would have loved to see what she was making with some of these. Absolutely gorgeous colors. There's reds and purples and peacock. There's a really pretty one. And more and more and more and more and more and more. More feathers, more feathers. Oh my gosh. More. And another boa. Next we have, well, they're pipe cleaners, but Bumpy Chanel glitter and Stem Chanel glitter. Not Chanel. I don't know. I need a struggle compilation of me just trying to open these. Like, seriously, is there a trick? Is there a trick to it? Oh, okay, maybe not. Oh, whoa, these are cool. I haven't seen ones like these. They look like Christmas tree stems. Those are kind of cool. They're fuzzy. Well, I guess all pipe cleaners are fuzzy, but they kind of go thick and then thin. And the glitter, oh, dropping things, always dropping things. Love the shiny glittery ones. Silver, gold, red and green, blue. So I know you can do kids crafts with pipe cleaners, but I mean, I really don't know much else, to be honest. I guess you can clean your pipes. Dill's Pipe Cleaners, Smoke Master. Is that seriously where they originated from? Am I that dense? No, seriously, is that where pipe cleaners originated from? Do you actually clean pipes with them? Like smoking pipes? I would have thought maybe, I don't know, plumbing pipes? I literally, you know what? I don't know. That I sound really stupid right now. But yeah, lots of pipe cleaners. This one says, oh, angel tool. We know she made angels from some of the earlier bins. So it's nice to see some of the tool that she was using. My camera doesn't pick up the glittery for some reason, but these are very shiny and glittery and soft. Wow. Tool usually feels kind of rough, but this is definitely nice quality. There's some pink and beige. Silver, metallic silver, metallic gold. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that with the stars. That's really precious. This one, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's like glittery dots on it. And then we have this really nice blues in here. Wow. Wow. I think someone will be very happy to find these in our shop. Waiting for it to stop making noise. I'm not going to move this one, but this one is full of bells, which, not surprised, Christmas seemed to be her favorite holiday. So, of course, she has a million bells in every color that you could ever imagine. Yep, it checks out. Definitely checks out. Lots of pretty colors. And then, of course, all of your traditional red, silver. What? I mean, I guess so many colors really work for Christmas. Green, gold, a couple of bells in here, and some of these larger ornaments as well. Or ornaments, bells. They're all bells. I guess they're bells and ornaments. I don't know. I do really like these blue though, and this kind of lime green. This one says applique, sequin, iron-on motifs, frogs, and tassels, and an American flag too. I'm afraid of frogs, so let's take a look and see what's in here. Hopefully nothing too creepy. Ooh, some fabric flowers. We found a lot of these in previous bins, but nice to see some more. This is a Talon tapes. 2.5 yards of that. We've got a, wow, really just pretty random piece of fabric that, again, matches my shirt. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little bunny. Very cute. We've got some trims in here and here. Ooh, here's more appliques. Got a beautiful heart, a shamrock. Aww, seriously, like, this stuff just matches me so well. There's an anchor, a bow, and these two squares. Got some more beaded trim. Wow. Hold on. I want to pull this one out. Oh, there's multiple pieces in here, but look how beautiful those are. I know lace does really well in our shop. I wonder if these will as well. Some sort of like knotted pieces in here, or maybe not. I don't know what these are. Really hard to see. Oh, they're like closures. They like hook together. Some fringe. Some tassels. So far, no frogs, though. I think we're safe, unless frogs means something else. Those are kind of cool. Whoa! Maybe in here. Oh, uh-oh. 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 Open, open. Oh, I love seahorses. That I'm keeping. I have no use for it, but I'm keeping it as a memento. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little fishies. Sorry, I'm shaking. It's lunchtime. I need to eat. I'm going to eat after this. And a beautiful flamingo. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Pine trees. Oh my gosh, a hummingbird. Oop, I'm covering his face. Parrot, beautiful. More palm trees. Ooh, that's an angelfish. Am I holding him upside down? And a bluefish. There's some more in here. These look Christmas themed. There's ornaments and wreaths. I guess ornaments and wreaths. A mask. Eye mask. More trim. More tassels. Not really sure what those are. More fringe. I got a folder. Whoa. Oh my gosh, these are gigantic. That one's got a price tag of $7.50 on it. Whoa. These are huge. What do you do with these? I mean, you put them on clothes, right? Or I guess, I don't know, pillows? I actually don't even really know. Iron-on letters. Pocket Peekers, a little kitty. We've got Santa. And a snowman. And I've seen these before too. These are made of fabric. We've got a fish. A really cute Christmas cat. Some doggies. More fishies. Pretty flowers. Wow. And a whole bunch more in there. Oh my gosh, I miss these. Look at the strawberries. Okay, that is adorable. Okay, and this one says fabric ribbon. So there was a ton of ribbon in these giant drawers. So I just kind of put them into bins already. I've been kind of tired of looking at ribbon. We've had a couple of ribbon sales lately, so I've been going through a lot of it. And I mean, it's just ribbon. If you've seen ribbon, you know what ribbon looks like. So there's like 3 bins of those. Those will just come out sporadically as we need them. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to dig through this bin, but let's take a little look. Ribbon work, the complete guide, techniques for making ribbon, flowers, and trimming. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. Love that she had the books to go along with some of these. Some more books. Ribbon flowers. Okay, hold on. I guess I knew you can make ribbon flowers, but I never really thought about it. That's kind of interesting. I do love me some really pretty florals. Whoops. Heirloom ribbon work. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch in here. Artful ribbon. The simple art of ribbon design. And another one that matches my shirt. Elegant ribbon work. And then all of this ribbon that, yeah, I thought. I'm not going to pull it all out of here, but there looks like there's some fun stuff. So that will do it for bin number 58. Yes, make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.